Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can review transactions on LessAccounting. To review transactions, either we can go through accounting transactions section, or if you are on dashboard, you will be able to go through quick links and click on transactions. So I'm already in transactions section, and to review transactions, we can go through tag deposits or tag expenses. So let's go through that tag deposits. So I can skip or save and move to next one. So for example, I have daily cash sales. I will skip daily cash sales deposits for purchased items. So I have 2,500 and it's been already allocated to particular invoice. I can skip this one. Next one is daily cash sales, nothing to tag. Gifts 1,250. I can select an invoice or allocate this received amount from transaction to particular invoice. So just go and search from your list and allocate to particular invoice what that relates to. Okay, let's skip next one. And system is a little bit slow. So Lucy paid £150, and then from my list I can see where is a Lucy's invoice. There is a Lucy's invoice for 150, and I can save and next. Okay, so I have allocated to Lucy's invoice. Then I can go to next one, and there is Alex paid 180, and select on Alex 180. And click save and next. Okay, so there is paper limited 600. Let's check if we have paper limited, allocating to this one, skip and finish. And the same way we need to review expenses, but for expenses we have a top section where we need to select if it's reviewed or not reviewed, or need to have discussion. So every expense will need to have allocated, allocated review status. So for example, I will skip green limited, and meals with suppliers been paid from cash account and it's been allocated to category, so I can actually mark this one as reviewed. Save and next. Okay, so I can skip. Next one is local shop for 65. It's been from business account. I can attach support document. Okay, I can mark this expenses reviewed and save and next. Okay, so when I go back to transactions, I can see my unreconciled transactions here. So all reconciled transactions will be marked in green. All unreconciled are still awaiting status to be checked and reviewed. So this is a way how you can allocate your transactions or review transactions on LessAccounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.